This is a video presentation for the InTheCar phone app for Google Play and Apple iOS. Today's demo will be on a Google phone. All the features are exactly identical on the Apple phone. I have an app here, Icon, that's permanently not formatted. That app would be formatted based on the dealer. So if it was selling for Ford, for example, we would switch it to a Ford icon. That would say InTheCar for Ford. We click on the app and we get the home screen. So if I go home, you can see at the top of the home screen is a picture of myself that I uploaded as the client. And it gives you my name and email information just to know it's the right setup. That doesn't have to be filled in. You get your local traffic for where you are. And then you get four major windows, buttons, hot buttons to push. Vehicle Explorer, Insurance Explorer, File a Claim, and Contact Us. In addition, we have four buttons along the bottom, part of your full menu. Let's go to each button and see what it does. Under Vehicle Explorer, it asks you if this is the correct vehicle in case you have more than one vehicle loaded on the app. And on the Explorer, under Vehicle, you get some information regarding your dealership. So you'll see that it's from Hyundai Dallas. It'll ask on the top there, a little banner window, if you want to have our dealership put in ads. We reserve a space for them to put little ads about promotions that they're doing. You get the information regarding the VIN, the make, the model number. So that information is available. And then we have windows here, hot windows here, for the dealer to log in the services required, service 1, service 2, service 3. So we're providing a lot of space and a lot of window for the dealer to interact with our customers, not just about insurance. If I go back to the main screen here, I have 3 more hot buttons. The second hot button is the Insurance Explorer. Under Insurance Explorer, again, it asks me which vehicle I want. This is my vehicle, my Hyundai, and it tells me about my insurer. So my company is MetLife, the contact number, the address, the email, the website. You can see my plan here that's specifically designed for InTheCar, Hyundai MetLife plan, with the policy number, the date of purchase, and the valid date. And you can see some of the coverages here, the injury, the coverage amount, the deductible, and then there's a document space to reserve a document. So if I want to see my insurance card here, I can hit view and up comes my insurance card. And we can also preserve the car registration and the driver's license, depending upon your state. I'm going to go back now to the main window. And again, we've explored 2 of the hot buttons. I'm going to go to a third hot button, which is File a Claim. Again, it asks me which car. If I want to file that, I'm in a position now on the road to file a claim. I have where it happened, and I can pinpoint exactly where it happened, the date. I can fill in my comments. Hot buttons, where was I the only driver? Were there other people in the vehicle? Was anyone hurt? And file that claim. In this case, the file claim is not going to work when I hit the button, just simply because I haven't filled out the buttons here on our demo. Later on, I'll show you a claim. That's button number 3. If you do file a claim, it goes to the insurer, in this case MetLife. An account and ID number is created. So in this case, let's look at that. Here's a claim that was filed, and you can see that it gets a tracking number. If I click on this, I have some more information. So the claim was filed on the vehicle Santa Fe with the VIN. It gives a claim ID. It says the status is pending, and there's a phone number where I can reach MetLife. And on the other side of that, when you file a claim, it goes to MetLife. MetLife gets a notice that one of their InTheCar clients, customers, has filed a claim. They get the matching ID number that's been assigned in the phone. And this way, both sides can communicate about that claim. And from there, MetLife can take over the claim. So there you go. I'm going to go back now to home. We've now explored 3 of the hot buttons: Vehicle Explorer, Insurance Explorer, File a Claim, and we've seen the result of a claim. And then we have a final window, which is Contact Us. And because we have 3 or 4 players involved in our InTheCar app, not just one, we allow the consumer to contact a variety of people. So the consumer defaults their name, defaults their email and their phone number, and it asks, do you want to ask a question of the insurer, the manufacturer, the dealer, or InTheCar itself if you have a question about the app. There's a message you can type in, and then a send button. And depending on which button you choose, it will always send out the message. InTheCar will always get a copy of the message, but the message could be for the insurer or could be for the manufacturer. Finally, we have some hot buttons along the bottom here. You saw the home button, which takes us away. We've already done track claim. Here's one where you can upload documents. So if you want to, as I said before, if you want to upload a driver's registration or other information, you can upload either a document or an image. Back to home. And then finally, the last little hot button there, you can edit your profile, you can change your password, you can add drivers, or you can log out. So that completes the very elegant in-the-car phone app where we merge the world of the insurer, the manufacturer, and the dealer for the convenience of the client and help facilitate insurance sales via the app. Thank you.